laws of exponent. Till now we have seen three rules when the base was same. Now we'll see the fourth one where the base is different but the exponent is same. Yeah. Now let's consider the example. What is this? 3a raised to the power 2. What does this mean? See, when there is a no sign, there is no operation mentioned between the coefficient and the variable, you always consider that as a 3 into a raised to the power 2. So this is simplified 3 into 3 into a into a. So in other words, we can say, or let me add one more step for you to understand it better way. When the exponent is same and there is a multiplication between the two numbers, we say 3 square into a square. So so when there is a exponent is same and then there is a more than one number combined have the exponent, then we do a 3 square into. So multiplying power with the same exponent. When the two numbers are multiplied and exponent is same, there will be a separate exponent to the each one. So now let's take with the number. Now I am saying 4 into 2 raised to the power 2. So this is 4 square into 2 square. That is equal to 4 in, or we don't need to solve it further. You need to understand this 4 into. But we can confirm this by doing this same operation. So now 4 square into 2 square. Now I explain it why it is coming like that. Now let's consider. Now this is the exponent and 4 into 2 is my base. Whenever there is an exponent, what I am doing, that many times I multiply the base to itself. My base is 4 into 2. My exponent is 2. So I am going to do multiply this base to itself twice. So to solve this, what I will be doing, 4 into 2 into 4 into 2. Right? So now this is, don't see this as a two numbers, just see this as a 1. So or I can say see this as a 1 bracket. Yeah. So now when I say square, what I am going to do, I multiply this to itself twice. So it multiply to itself when there is a square. Now I simplify and rewrite the same number. I am going to write next to each other. So I am writing 4 into 4 into 2 into 2. Now I convert this into an exponential form. So my answer will be 4 into 4, 4 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. So it comes out to be 4 square into 2 square. As simple as.